My people, recipe for buttery moi moi don come out. First of all, blend your Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, tatashe, blend am well. Then you go fry this mixture. Fry am with salt and maggi. Cover am make e dry, then add your salt and maggi. Fry am well. E don ready. Next, as I blend this beans finish, I go use hand mix am properly because I want that butter texture. Now I don add that my pepper mix, turn am well. I'll come add crayfish, turn am. As I don add that crayfish, the next thing I go add my Titus fish, add maggi. Now I go add coconut milk, turn am well. Now I go fold and put inside moi moi leaf, come boil am, cover am with another moi moi leaf. This moi moi sweet die. For more detailed recipe, go my YouTube channel, go watch am.